In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your calendar settings with a new location in Acuity. We all know how important it is to keep our calendar settings up to date, especially when managing appointments and meetings. So whether you're running a business or just trying to stay organized, having the correct location set on your Acuity calendar can make a significant difference in efficiency and communication. Now let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up Acuity. Once you've logged in, the home interface should appear, and you'll notice several options on your dashboard. What we're interested in today is under the Availability section. Go ahead and click on Availability. This is where you'll start to customize your calendar settings. After clicking on Availability, look for the Calendar Settings button. It usually appears directly within the calendar you want to adjust. Click on this button to open the settings for that specific calendar. This step is crucial because each calendar can have different settings, so it's essential to ensure you're adjusting the correct one, especially if you manage multiple calendars. As the calendar settings page opens, you'll see several options available to configure. Direct your attention to the location field. Here, you can enter the desired location for all appointments in this calendar. Accurately filling in this field ensures that your clients or colleagues will meet you at the right place consistently, avoiding unnecessary confusion and potential mishaps. Once you've typed in the new location, ensure that it's spelled correctly and all necessary details are included, such as building names, room numbers, or specific instructions if needed. This extra effort helps in providing clear directions, saving everyone time and hassle in the long run. After you've double-checked the information in the location field, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top right of the settings screen. Click on Save to apply the new location to your calendar settings, and just like that, your Acuity calendar now reflects the updated location. It's fantastic how such a simple update can make sure everything runs smoothly and everyone stays on the same page about where to meet. Keeping your calendar current is a small step towards maintaining professionalism and reliability in your scheduling practices. That's it for updating the location in your Acuity calendar. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and streamline your scheduling. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.